What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Bingo video. Well, dang it. Well, today we will be playing Natural Disaster. I've actually played this game before. It's actually pretty fun.
Really?
Oh, also, my brother will be joining me.
Once again.
I know last night I didn't make a show because I don't make a lot of videos. Well, I will cover for that.
You made 1,000 videos in the past.
No, I haven't.
Like 200?
I'm pretty sure one of my shorts like hit 38 views or something. I'm not
Hey,
interested.
let's make a party for it.
Again, I've told you guys this before. My goal
It's to be rich.
No. My goal right now is to hit 15 subscribers.
And make more money than Mr. Beast.
That's impossible. Because I'm not interested. Oh, also.
Then I might help you because I'm going to be a doctor.
Also, I forgot to mention one thing. I'm actually spying on my older brother.
What? Wait, what?
Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe he left the game. Then this whole plan has backfired. Oh, I see why my brother's friend. Oh, I see his other friend.
You saw Chili?
I thought, no.
You saw Chili Dogs?
Oh, where is he?
You saw Chili?
Oh, I see him. I became his.
Did you see Red and Chili?
Time to backfire.
Did you see Red and Chili? I hope I can.
Why was I the only one who didn't join? Am I irrelevant? Why was I the only one?
It's okay, bro. I'm gonna join in. Yeah, man.
That means you're irrelevant too. So it's just my brother and I.
Okay.
Where are you? Oh.
Okay, I'm coming.
Ayo, do the irrelevant dance. Hey, wait, thank you. What?
How are you dancing?
Ayo, do the irrelevant dance. Ayo, slash E. Ayo, my cousin BC gave me this. Who is BC?
I think it's who.
Yo,
The
what?
only person who talks to you.
Yo.
Oh, Waffy, I'm gonna check what the natural disaster is. It's probably gonna be a tornado.
I bet.
Let's go. Bro.
Yo, who's...
I'm gonna make it 300 natural disasters. Oh, somebody else is irrelevant. I saw another person coming. Oh my gosh, why are so many people irrelevant? Really, everybody do the irrelevant dance.
Okay. I see.
Everybody's so irrelevant.
Okay, time back to spying on my bro. Where is he? Oh, I see his friend.
You saw Chili? You see Chili?
No.
I see red. I saw red.
Hey.
Everybody?
I see red. I'm in front of Eli.
Eli? Oh yeah, I see Eli. I'm following you.
I
saw our older brother. I saw him. He went the other way.
Why are you trying to get away from me?
What? He's like, why if get away from me? You're irrelevant.
You're irrelevant.
That's why you basically said to you, I think.
Yo, let's go. Hey.
Look at your face anymore.
Yeah, well, oh, I almost fell and died.
Seriously? What's the natural disaster? Oh yeah, fall damage. It's a volcano! I see the volcano! Luffy,
Oh my gosh, I almost fell.
it's a volcano! Volcano, we are up! What?
Some guy's on the volcano.
What?
That's Smout.
Who's on the volcano?
Some dude that's Smout.
How did he get there?
Do not jump off. I'm
Okay, it's coming to me. Ah! I'm falling. You died?
I somehow survived.
Huh? I died. I'm irrelevant. Everybody survived.
Nah, you're relevant, wise.
I'm irrelevant though.
No, you're not. You're relevant.
Huh?
You're relevant, wise.
What does that even?
No, you're relevant, wise. You're relevant.
I'm relevant. Why is not relevant?
You are.
Come here, you little scum. Come here, you scum.
I am dodging the volcano.
Waffy. I just saw Waffy. What is Roblox character? Kiss a girl.
I am dead.
You died? Well, why like? Take that, right? Oh no, he's coming to us for sure. I'm on a big old brother. Waffy, red's on me. No, seriously, red is on me. It's a tower of people. Yeah. Rainbow White? We've never seen Rainbow White. I'm gonna get into the Rainbow White.
I'm out. He's winning.
I'm winning. No matter what, I'm winning.
Okay, I'm getting it.
I'm getting in. Help! Waffy, my screen glitches a lot.
I am gonna die. Help me! Oh, I'm good.
I'm in. I'm fine.
What's the natural disaster?
I don't know. I'm sitting. I'm fine. I'm sitting.
Acid rain? Heck no! Why would they do this to us?
I'm safe. Waffy, did you die? I have a lid on my head. Are you behind me?
Oh no!
Are you behind me?
No, I'm not. I'm in heaven.
Look! I'm surviving. See?
My brother is surviving and I'm not.
Okay.
How? I'm the good one, not him.
I just died. I hate you, Acid. You're my Acid Mulek, my enemy, Sid. That's sad. That's just sad, what I do. That's just sad. I can't even think of. I see IDK Vision. Mission follow IDK Vision. Must follow IDK Vision. AKA my brother, IDK Vision.
Yo. I have to leave
Did
the game.
IDK Vision just jump off? IDK Vision, why would you do that, IDK Vision?
Oh, yo, I'm back. Eh?
What the? Look how much names I see. In a world, a kid lives inside his home. Dun. Hey, bro. I'm gonna do the irrelevant dance. What? Hey, Bob. I chose you. To be the natural disaster. I'm irrelevant. I'm gonna die. It's acid rain.
Oh, yo, what?
It's acid rain again, I know.
Heck no, but
It's a sandstone? I
actually post?
I have a chance of winning. Unless I don't fall. If I fall, I'm dead. Sandstorm. Dodge fly.
Speaking of falling in death.
You just fell and died.
Yup.
I'm still alive. Oh no, I'm dead. I died. How am I? Somebody friend requested me.
Who?
That girl right there. She just friended me.
Oh, heck no, buddy.
Who are you and why you friend me? Who are you? Tell me your name. What am I gonna do? Slash E. Dang.
Yo, what?
Nane. S spells S.
Yo.
Dance.
Yo, heck no, but heck no!
Somebody just friend request. Why everybody just friend requested you? Listen, I don't know her name.
Yo, she just was.
She's in this game.
She friend requested me too.
She's in this game. I saw her. She's in our game.
Yo, I can't do this right now. Yo, heck.
Really? Why is all of these rounds just this? Because this is relevant in the new map? The storm's coming. Waffy, I'm glitching, but I'm faster than you. Waffy, which one did you go on? I'm trying to catch up to you. Where are you?
I didn't go. I'm on.
Which one are you on? And I'm getting in this one. Let me in. Come on, glitch. You want to save me. Tornado, stay clear path. Did you die?
Yep.
Same here. I'm still alive, but I'm bald. I'm bald, but I'm alive.
You have a boss baby?
I'm boss baby. I'm the bald baby, but I'm alive.
Well, that's the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification and hit that like button in the face. And if you
don't, a spider will crawl on you.
I'm not gonna vote. Hit the subscribe button with your elbow or anything. Just hit it, please. Alright, that's the end of this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell. Adios. Bye. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, I'm not gonna vote. Adios.